Hello friends, this video is going to be really different kind, and honestly speaking I really feel good making this video. Do you know why? Because it's a perfect combination of backend in the form of Python Django that is hosted live in my domain, as you can see right over here, and I have been able to come up with Android. This is my Android app, and you can well understand Python and Android, these are two different technology altogether, right? But the perfect combination of this is what you will be seeing in this video. So what I'm going to show you over here, well, I will be showing you how to upload data not to the template, which I can do very easily. You can log into my site and you can even do this. Rather, uploading data not through my template, in fact via my Android application. Yes, you rightly heard. So I will run my Android app. Let me show you that, and you will be able to see my mobile phone directly connected with my system, and here it goes. This is the Android app which you are seeing right in my system. So what I'm going to do right now over here is I will be providing some data. So if you see right now in my template, I just have got let me fix this. In my template I have just got only one data that is called MCA. Now what I want to do is I want to insert a new data, and that too via my phone. Now I have got two options over here. I can insert it via my gallery or even through my camera. Yes, you rightly heard, both through my gallery as well as the camera. So first let's get into it. Well, I have given a title over here, like what you can see right over here. I have a name, and which is my title, and description, and the choice of the image. That's what there, right? So for that reason I have just written this thing in beforehand just to save some time. And now I come to the pick image. Over here it is prompting me to take a snapshot. So let me take a snapshot from here, and I am going to do this. Great. And see over here the file name has been shown. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the upload stream. As I do that, the progress bar goes on and the stream registration successful. Oh my god. And I did that through my mobile phone, right? So let's come over here and let's reload the page. And as I do that, can you see BCA for all students, and the image which I have uploaded just now is right in front of you. How is that? So I uploaded the data via Android app, and that too in my domain, which has been reflected in Django. So this is a complete full stack application, but the front end is not a template or like a React or Angular, not a web application, rather it's Android, and that's a different challenge you have to face. Okay, so I just uploaded it through my gallery. How about uploading a new application, a new data, a new stream, and that too through my camera? So let me stop my phone just to show you once again how it starts, and let me run it once again from here, and my app will get open in front of you. So this time I'm not going for BC anymore because BC is already there. So I change it and I go for something called what? Mechanical engineering, suppose ME, mechanical engineering. So this is all for all science students. Okay, that's great. Okay, fine. Now let's come to my camera. Let me close the keypad. Let me open my camera, and as I do that, my camera is getting activated, and let me take a snapshot of my camera right now. So I'm taking a snapshot. Yes, the snapshot gets done. Now I click on the OK button, and that would get fixed in my image view. So this is my image view, and this is the file name that got created dynamically, and that too with the camera. And now I'm just going to upload this. So as I click on the upload button, the upload takes place. It's going on. Yes, the stream registers successfully. So now I come to my browser and I tap on my refresh button, and as I do that, bingo, here is my image shown in the thumbnail format. So what did you see? Well, this is a complete full stack application where you have got front end in context to Django, Python web application hosted live in my domain, and the upload of data is coming through my phone. So that means this is where the REST API come in picture. In fact, I have made use of Django REST framework, so DRF, and that DRF has been implemented inside my Android application. Just to show you a glance over here is I am uploading file, and for that reason if I come to my interface, you will see over here annotation in the form of multi-part, because you are uploading a file. If you remember, in HTML inside the form tag we have a special attribute that is called enc type equals to multipart slash form hyphen data, and that is the reason why we are using the same multipart over here. So those who are working in Android, keep it in mind that you have to upload file. In that case you have to go for annotation multi-part, and you have to wrap all your data not within the body annotation, rather into the part annotation, because as a whole the data will go in the form of request body to the cloud, but within the request body you will be having these attributes separately. As you saw just now, I uploaded one title right over here, that is the name, and then I uploaded description, and then I upload my image. So all these things put together into one entity called request body. Apart from that, I have an authorization token as well, because this particular route is a protected route. So if I take you to my activity right over here, you will find that there is a token involved. So this token is required, then only this application will work, otherwise it will not work. So that means this token has a validity of a single day, 24 hours. That's the way I have done the coding, and once 24 hours get elapsed, even if you have this complete app, you will not be able to run, because you need a fresh token, and that token you will be getting only if you log in into my website, and this login route are all protected routes. Okay, so in short, I just tried to show you that how exactly a Django REST framework or any REST framework of any backend really works, and I'm very thrilled to come up with this application, because it's not that simple. It's because you're working on gallery and you're working on camera, and these all require permission. Yes, I would like to show you even that also. It requires permission. So you have to have the read permission for uploading image from your gallery. You have to have the read permission for external storage. You have to have the write permission, because I'm taking the picture through the help of my camera, so that camera file should be stored inside your system. And in case if you are using a handset that does not have this camera feature, then also it should run. So you need to think about the dangerous permission. So these are all dangerous permission that will be required. Now what do I mean by dangerous permission? Let me show you one simple thing, then you will be able to understand. Suppose I remove this app from my phone right now. So here is my app right now. Let me show you where is my app. Yes, file upload. I'm removing this app from my phone right now. I uninstall it, and now if I run the app once again, you will be able to see what do I mean by the dangerous permission. Let me run the app again. The app is getting installed in my phone, and here it comes. So what I will be doing is I will change this to something else. Suppose this time goes for EEE. I love this domain for all electrical students. Great. Now what I want to show you is that what do I mean by dangerous permission. So if I tap on the pick image, it will prompt you with a message which you often have seen number of times. So if you allow it, then only the gallery will be accessible, otherwise it will not be accessible. So I click on allow all. That is where the dangerous permission comes in picture. So let me go for a random file upload. Suppose I choose this, and I tap on my upload button, and as I do that, EEE should be registered in my domain. So let's come over here, let's reload the tab, and as I do that, right over here we have EEE. Really awesome, isn't it? So I showed you about the gallery permission. Now let me just again rerun the app once again to show you what about my camera permission. Yes, so this time I will be going for EC. This is also a very popular domain for all electrical and electronics students. Great. Now let me come to my camera app. As I tap on that, see, previously we saw the dangerous permission in context to gallery, and now we are seeing the dangerous permission in context to camera. So if you allow this, if you allow this, then only the camera will be available. So that's how the normal permission, like intent permission and the dangerous permission, that differs. So while using this app, okay, great. So I click on this and now my camera is available. So let me go and tap on a photo over here, right? I do that, and great. And let me come to the OK button. The image gets set in my image view, and I upload this in my domain. And let's see what happened this time. The stream get registered successfully. I believe it does get registered. So here it comes, EC, and you saw all these images live in my domain. I believe it helped you to understand what exactly is an API stands for. And I don't know any other example better than this could have illustrated that what is Django REST framework talks about. Okay, so that's all from this video presentation. See you soon. Keep enjoying and definitely keep coding. That's what the life is all about. Thank you very much. Bye bye.